everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, I am back with another monthly mini build from LEGO. This one is 40331. It was released in November 2019, I do believe, and it is a wolf. A very nice, cute looking wolf, and I will show you how to build this and I will show you how to build this, and I will show you how to build this, and I will show you how to build this. I'm going to be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause it in time this video to see what's going on. Yes, so without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we need a 2x3 standard base plate in dark gray. We'll just place that down here. And we're going to be needing these dual handle pieces done in black. One at the front here and one at the back. This is going to be our main body. Now in the center over here we're going to use some filler pieces. So some of these little white studs going in the center over here. And we'll need another one of those black two-handled pieces to go on the top of that here. Now we're going to smooth off the furry body. So for that we'll need a dark grey slope piece here at the front and a dark grey cheese slope on the other side, and we're going to mirror this design on the other section of the build. So a slope piece pointing this way now and a cheese slope. It's been a bit of a while since I've gone back to doing these monthly mini builds, so please excuse me if I'm a little bit rusty. So now we need to do, I believe these are the front legs. Yep, those look to me like the front legs. So we'll need quite a few different sort of handle and clip pieces over here, done in light grey and dark grey. These two pieces fit together like so. And this light grey piece fits under here. And we need to make two of these. So these are going to be the two front legs. Yeah, I'm just going to try and entertain you while I put them all together. Okay, so front legs at the front, like this. These are going to be the little paws at the front of our wolf. Now for the back legs, we're going to do sort of a similar design, but flipped in a certain way, because these are the back legs. So instead of placing these clip plates like this, we're going to do them upside down to do the rear legs, and we need to make two of them as well. Yay. Okay, so now that I have two rear legs, where I nearly went wrong with one of them, we're going to clip them to the back just like so, and we're going to fold them down just like this here, just like so. I like saying that. I really like saying that. Okay, the four legs are done. And what we need now is a tail at the rear end. So, another clip piece, a dark grey cheese slope, and a dark grey little slope piece like this. Flip it into the tail part over here, and now we have a little waggy tail for our wolf. Now for the head of our wolf, we're going to need another 2x3 base plate, and at the back, another clip piece done in dark grey as well, a slightly different one there. Now, at the back, two of these black studs, one on either side like this, and a red 1x2 tile, that's going to be its tongue hanging out of its jaws. Oh, and also we're going to be using these white studs for teeth as well. Now, on top of that, the 2x3 base plate again, sandwich all the stuff in there. And what else are we going to be needing? Okay, so for the side sort of cheeks of our doggy wolf style head, I'm going to be using these roof tile pieces in a dark grey, one on either side, and in the middle we're going to need a side attachment brick with a cheese slope attached to it. Side attachment bricks. They have returned back in another monthly mini build. Some more side attachment bricks, 3 of them at the front. These are going to help attach the decorations for our little wolf. A 2x3 base plate on top of that. And now for the nose, we're going to need another roof tile piece and a little black stud to be a little button nose at the front, and we need to attach the central piece into the side attachment open stud just like so. Now I had made a mistake when I first built this. I placed it like this, and yeah, it's like okay, so now that that's good, some printed eyepieces. These ones are the closed ones, and we're going to place them facing upwards so it looks like a happy wolf. Just like this. There we go. Some nice cute little eyes. And for the ears, all we need are some cheese slopes done in dark grey pointing outward like this. And then we just need to bring back our body, clip the head in like this, and there we've done it. So there's our little wolf, finito completo, in all of its cutie shagginess. Yeah, dark grey fur. Really like the style here. Articulation up here at the head, back here at the tail, legs, even the feet have a little bit of articulation as well, pointing in the right way. We can place them on some studs. It's a very nice smiley face, nice ears, and maybe I'll double some white in there actually later on, make it a sort of husky style wolf maybe. Ooh. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show them in the future. I hope that has inspired you and that you enjoyed this video, despite the fact that I'm doing it in a completely different place. And until next time, happy building!